Hi viewers, now you are watching 5th class first poem grammar part. In this video, I am going to explain you about two topics. The first one is suffix and prefix and the second topic is paragraph. First, let me explain you about prefix and suffix. The name itself indicates pre means before, premature baby, pre-primary. See, high school is, we start at 6th standard. But pre-primary means which is like nursery and LKG, which is useful for the schooling before schooling. No, schooling starts from first class. Before schooling means preschool. So before, which comes before is called prefix, which comes after is called suffix. That you already know, no? So why we are bringing prefix and suffix here? Generally we use those words in maths, no? But why the prefix and suffix came here? Because even in English language, when there is a one word comes before the word, like look at here, happy means joyful, anandam, equal, saman, usual, mamuluga. So some words are there. When it is added with another word like un, when it is getting added with the other word, the meaning is completely changing. Happy, unhappy. So when happy is getting added with a prefix called un. So the word is the meaning of the word is completely changing. Unhappy. Unhappy means sad. In the same way, equal, unequal. Let us look at here. Legal means correctga. According to the code, according to the laws we follow, it is called legal. If we oppose them, it will become illegal. So when IL is getting added with legal, the word is changing. And where these words are getting added? Before the actual word. These are the actual word. For this actual word, if we add anything before, that is called prefix. And it is changing the meaning of the word completely. Exactly, you can say opposite here. Okay? Illogical. See one more example. Agree. If you place this, disagree, ఒప్పుకోలేదు. Appear, disappear. So almost the word meaning is completely changing. In the same way, what about suffix? Let us see in the suffix also the meaning of the word is changing or not. Here, according to suffix, the words will be added at the end. Prefix, it adds at the before. Suffix, it will add at the end. Means after. Comfort. What is mean by comfort? Comfort ga undata. Avuna? Comfortable. When it adds with able, this is able. It will become comfortable. So little change, not big change. Let us see. What is port? Port means generally what we call port, where the imports and exports taking on. Generally the ocean, sea, there we can see imports and exports. And will they happen over the sea? No, right? Some places they conduct beach, some places they conduct for port. So in this port area, generally imports and exports are using to happen. So when port is going to add with able, it becomes portable. What is the meaning of portable? Portable means which is easy to carry. For example, computer is there. Computer will be having desktop, CPU, speakers, mouse, keyboard. Okay, is it easy to carry? No, it's pretty tough. But if it is a laptop, it's easy to carry or not? So here compare with computer, laptop is portable. Port meaning is different. When it is mixing with able, portable. The meaning is completely changing. Port and able, portable. Right? So based on the suffix, the meaning is completely changing. But sometimes, of course, it's not changing. Okay? Act, acting. Continuation tense. Run. Run అంటే పరిగెత్తడం. Running అంటే పరిగెత్తుతున్నారు అని. In the same way, kind, kindness, kindness, bright, kindness, brightness, clear, clearly, fully, lovely. You know all these words, but you never think that when these are getting added, the meaning is changing. Understand? Not only these things, there are so many prefix and suffix are there. Even you can search in the Google or you can see in your textbook. You can get the more examples. I hope you understand what is a prefix and suffix. Okay, let me tell you about paragraph. You may get doubt. You may get doubt like, Madam, we know paragraph, it contains 4 lines, 2 lines, 1 line. What is there to discuss? Okay, there is nothing to discuss. But tell me, if you see one story or one poem, even in poem you can see stanzas. But in story, you can see n number of paragraph. Why they are writing the story using the paragraph? Why can't they write the complete story, entire story? Why? Have you ever think ఎందుకు స్టోరీ ఒకటే మాదిరిగా ఇట్లా ఒక్కొక్క పేరాగా రాస్తున్నారు? Just because the paragraph indicates when the topic changes, when the situation changes, then starts with a new paragraph. If a new idea came up, if they came up with new idea, if they came up with new situation, you just look at the movies. Movies everyone used to watch, right? Generally one scene is used to going on, and after that scene, the next scene takes place in another area. So there is a change in the place. Even in the paragraph, even in the story, they'll make it as a new paragraph. That is the reason the topic paragraph occurs. That's it. So I'm going to give you one assignment. Write a paragraph about nature in your own words. Okay? Okay, then I'll write about friend, because in the textbook they have mentioned about friend. Write few words about your friend using the paragraphs. There must be minimum of 2 paragraphs. Okay, in your own words. Don't search in the Google. Understand? That's all about this video. In the next video, I'll explain the new things. Thank you.